My research interests lie in the area of process and molecular design, connecting the design of new molecules to that of new products and new processes to make them more economical, more environmentally friendly, and safer. AI-assisted chemistry is there to help us discover new molecules that can go into new products for consumers to use. And it's there to accelerate the development of these new molecules, help us to search through the millions and millions of possibilities that we have when we try to combine atoms together to make new molecules and materials. So it's the idea that from very few data points, we can interpolate and predict what would happen with molecules that we have never made before. It can open all new windows of opportunities in chemistry because with the methods that we use today, we tend to limit ourselves in the innovation based on the intuition that we have developed over the years for how things work. And we try to go through an approach where we improve bit by bit existing molecules and existing systems. But this opens the door to much wider discovery and to deploying molecules and materials for new purposes, which they haven't been considered for until now. So if you have limited resources and to do experiments, what you would do is take a step-by-step approach and try and play it a little bit safe in order to make sure that your experiments are going to yield good results. But with the help of AI, you can be much adventurous in the way that you develop new molecules, and you can come to solutions that we haven't been able to assess previously. I think one of the most exciting aspects of working with industry for me is to really talk to colleagues to understand what are the challenges they're facing. So to look in the near term, but also in the longer term, and think about what tools they dream of having at their disposal. What are the big questions or the big challenges that hold them back from developing the new products that we need, or manufacturing the products that we already have more reliably or cheaply or more in a more environmentally friendly way. And so it's really stimulating to have those conversations and to understand how solving these problems that are fundamental can help them to address societal challenges. And then the other way that we work with industry is through specific problems that tell us about the big challenges, and we develop some fancy solutions to that. And it's really about seeing whether those can be applied in a real context and can make a difference, and then be adopted in practice.